Welcome film robots. Today, we'll dive into the world of camera shots and angles, essential tools for storytelling in filmmaking. First up, the wide shot. This shot captures the subject from head to toe, providing a broad view of the scene. Think of a vast desert landscape. All in all, wide shots are a great way to establish your scene or to show a location. Next, the medium shot frames the subject from the waist up. It's perfect for conversations, like to people chatting at a coffee shop. The medium close-up focuses on the subject from the shoulders up, emphasizing facial expressions. Imagine a character reacting with surprise. Close-ups zoom in on the subject's face or upper body, highlighting details and emotions. Picture a tearful eye during an emotional moment. Extreme close-ups magnify specific details, like eyes or hands. For instance, a trembling hand holding a ticking time bomb. Now let's talk angles. The high angle looks down on the subject, creating a sense of vulnerability. Picture a child looking up at an imposing adult. Conversely, the low angle looks up, making the subject appear powerful. Think of a superhero standing tall, viewed from below to emphasize strength.